Good morning. Only 21. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then we'll start. Is there placement today? Is there placement today?
And Darshan is having placement today.
Darshan is joined.
Ma'am, even I have at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. Which companies you're attending for the placement? Which
TCS,
company?
ma'am.
Okay, good. Do well. All the best. Yes, Darshan, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how long to wait? So classmates, only 29 have joined. So they don't want to. Only this week and next week you have classes. After that, I think you will not have only exams, internals and lab and theory, right? Okay. Okay, in the last class we were started with some examples. Okay, now we see how these examples work out. Okay, so can anyone say, I think we have done this, but it's okay, no problem if we repeat also. Okay, can anyone say what is the what I have to type here? What I have to type here? Yes, you have to speak out. If you say, I will type.
System.out.println, ma'am.
System dot out dot print ln. Yes, is it right? Okay. So next exercise. Okay, what I have to type here? Yes, can anyone? What I have to submit? What I have to type? Only Rupak is answering. How about others?
2 forward
Others?
slash.
Huh?
/ 2 times.
Okay. Next line.
/ star.
Slash star. Okay. Here.
/ slash.
Star slash. Okay. Okay. Correct. Okay. This we have done, but it is still okay. Okay. Create variable called car name and assign the value Volvo to it. Yes, what I have to write?
String.
String data type.
String. Yeah, then
Car name.
car name. Then you have to say I am not.
Volvo.
Yeah. Until unless you people say I am not going to type. It is not for me. Is it right? But still spaces are there. Something we have missed.
Quotes are in.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, next one. Create a variable named max speed and assign a value 120 to it.
Int max speed, man.
Int max speed then
120.
120. Yes. Next one. Yeah, display the sum of 5 plus 10 using two variables x and y. Yes, can anyone answer what I have to write here? Very simple ones. Int
X equals to 5.
x equals to 5. Yes, correct. Yeah, next one. Create a variable called z, assign x plus y to it, and display the result. Yes, what I have tried here?
Int z equals to x plus y.
Int z equals to x plus y. Fine. Then?
Z.
Yeah, right. Yeah, fine. Yeah, here. Fill in the missing parts to create three variables of the same type using a comma separated list. Yes, what I have to type here?
Int.
Int. Yes. Then? Yeah, you have to say. Huh?
Comma.
Comma. Okay. Then?
Comma.
Okay. Correct. Next we move on. Okay. Add the correct data type of the following variables. Yes, what I have to type here?
Int, ma'am.
Int, fine.
Float.
Float, fine.
Character.
Char, char.
CHAR, ma'am.
Okay.
Boolean.
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay.
String, ma'am.
Okay.
S big caps in string.
Something we missed it. Data type. First one int, float, char, here, boolean. Then
String.
is it right? Yes. What was a mistake? Last time what did we do?
In string data type, S was not in capital.
Yes, that's what the Java says to us. It is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means because I have typed a small letter s, it was giving us mistake. That you have to remember. So in your placements, definitely they want to know they will give something like that. Okay. Then byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and character are called. What are all these called? Byte, short, int, float, long, float, double, boolean, and character are called
Primitive data type.
primitive. Correct? Yes. Yeah, next. Typecasting. Convert the following double type, that is my double, to an int type. Yes, what
Int flower braces mean. Sorry.
uh-huh.
Parenthesis. Int of open close parenthesis.
Int, open and close. Others, if you participate, then only it will help you. So this I'm just making you so that you should know what the Java is. Yeah. So multiply 10 with 5 and print the result.
Asterisk, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. Divide by 5 and print the results.
Slash.
Yes. Next one. Use a correct operator to increase the value of variable x by 1.
Plus X.
Pre-incrementation.
Yes, right. Okay, 4 or 5 people voices I'm able to hear. Others, please, you have to. You have to answer. You want to get it placed or what? Yeah. Use the addition assignment operator to add the value of 5 to the variable x.
X plus 6 plus 2, 5.
Shortened assignment operator, ma'am. Plus equals to.
Yes. Yeah, fill in the missing parameters to create a greeting variable of type string and assign it to the value hello. Yes.
String, ma'am.
String. Then?
Within quotes, hello.
Double quote.
Correct. Next one. Use the correct method to print the length of the text string. Yes, what I have to type here?
TXT.
TXT. Here.
Dot length.
Dot length. Dot, it's already there. I have to just type length.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, brackets, ma'am. Opening and closing bracket.
Opening and
No, not there, ma'am. Length.
Like a function.
Length.
Length is a function, ma'am.
Last part.
okay.
At the end, ma'am. Opening and closing.
Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Convert the value of text to uppercase. Very easy. This you have done in your lab program also. Yes.
Variable dot to upper.
Variable.
Ma'am, txt
TXT
to upper.
to upper.
Ma'am, it should be camel case, ma'am. After
You should be
capital.
capital.
Yeah.
Yeah, then. Yes, you have to say what I have tried there.
Method, ma'am. Opening and closing brackets.
Yes. T should be capital or not required?
Ma'am, required, I think, ma'am.
Ma'am, T is small, ma'am. T is small.
T small,
T
C,
is-
C.
C is
C caps.
capital. Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Use the correct operator to concatenate two strings. I have to concatenate. What I have to do?
Plus.
Okay. Use a correct method to concatenate two strings.
Concat. CONCAT.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Use a correct method to find the highest value of x and y.
Seal.
Max, ma'am. Math.max.
Math dot.
Max.
Max.
Okay. Use a correct method to find the square root of x.
SQRT.
These are very simple one. Okay. Next, use a correct method to return random numbers between 0 and 1, inclusive and exclusive.
Random of 0, 1.
Random of I didn't get you.
Parenthesis, ma'am. Parenthesis.
Parenthesis
0, 1. Maybe.
0,
Ma'am, I think rand of
Yeah,
0, comma 1.
like, the function is only RAND, I think, ma'am.
Okay.
And argument should be passed. Inclusive means like it starts from 0 and 2, ma'am. 2 should be passed because the second argument is exclusive.
2?
No, ma'am. First one is 0, second one is 2.
But it is not taking set.
Oh, okay, only one argument.
But still something
Direct
is
two,
missing,
ma'am.
sir. Huh?
2. Ma'am, 0 remove ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But still ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸಪರೇಟ್ 0 ಕಮ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 2ನೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Ma'am, I think only random will work.
But still one more space is there, right? One more space is there. ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, ma'am, the full word random.
Random. You want even 2 in this bracket?
Yes, ma'am. End should be mentioned.
And someone is saying random. Let me submit.
Ma'am, argument should be passed, ma'am.
Argument pass ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, ma'am, only random.
Okay. Fill in the missing parts to print the values true and false.
Boolean, ma'am.
Both the places Boolean.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fill in the missing parts to print the value true. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Fill in the missing parts to print the value true.
Ma'am, x greater than 9.
X. Someone is saying I'll type x greater than y.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
True? Others? Check once. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
It's true? Yeah. Okay, next one. Print hello world if x is greater than y.
If x greater than y.
If x greater than y. Okay. Next one. Print equal to.
If x equal to.
Yes.
If x equal to.
Equal to. Do we still have? Yes. Yeah, print yes if x is equal to y, otherwise print no. You have to say until unless you say I will not
If
type.
x equal to y.
If x is equal to y, then
Else.
Else.
yes, right. Yeah. Next one. Print 1 if x is equal to y. Print 2 if x is greater than y, otherwise print 3.
If x equals to y.
If x equal
If
to
x
y.
is equal
Else
to y.
if.
Else if.
Else.
ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. If print 1 if x is equal to y, print 2 if x is greater than y, otherwise print 3. If equals to
Else space if ma'am.
else space if. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Else ma'am.
Else ma'am.
yes, so we made mistake with space. Okay, insert the missing parts to complete the following shorthand if else statement. Ternary operator. Yeah, ternary
If,
operator. Huh? If
first if, then question mark, after that colon.
if ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Okay.
if ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Parenthesis.
Huh?
Parenthesis. Open and close.
Open and close. Ternary operator.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Colon.
Colon. Correct. Ternary operator is correct.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next one. Yeah, switch. Insert the missing parts to complete the following switch statement. Int day equals to 2. Switch.
Day.
Day ma'am. Day.
Day.
Case.
Case. Case.
Break.
Break.
Okay. Complete the switch statement and add the correct keyword at the end to specify some code to run if there is no case match in the switch statement. Yes.
Same is repeated, but default keyword is added in there.
Default ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Print I as long as I is less than 6.
While ma'am.
While
Increment I. I plus plus.
I plus plus. Correct? Others?
Ma'am.
Others? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Use a do while loop to print I as long as I is less than 6.
Do, ma'am.
Do
While.
While
okay. Use a for loop to print yes 5 times. For
I
for
plus
I
plus.
plus.
I plus plus.
Yes. Double quotes.
Double
Capital Y, ma'am.
For I plus plus capital Y. Loop through the item in the cars array.
Ma'am, for string I, then cars.
For
Cars.
string I,
Cars.
cars. Correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop the loop if I is 5.
Break, ma'am.
In the loop, when the value is 4, jump directly to the next value.
Continue, ma'am.
Correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Create an array of a type string called cars.
Ma'am, string. Square brackets, ma'am, opening and closing. No, not that one. Square brackets. Then cars.
Correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Print the second item in the cars array.
String
Cars.
subscript 2.
Car subscript 2.
Car subscript.
Cars.
Square bracket.
Subscript
Square
2.
bracket open and close.
Then
2, ma'am.
2.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Ma'am, and 1 array starts from 0.
Index start from 0, ma'am.
Print the second item in the car. 1, 2. Correct?
Ma'am, correct.
Yes, ma'am, 1.
Change the value from Volvo to Opel in the cars array. Yeah, what do we have to do?
Cars.
Cars.
Open
Cars.
bracket. Square bracket.
Hmm.
0, ma'am.
0.
Open in the right. Double quotes open.
Correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಓ.
ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಓ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ. Find out how many elements the car array have.
Ma'am, cars dot length.
Cars dot length.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did we go wrong? Oh, sorry. Yeah, somewhere we went wrong. Find out how many elements the car's array have. Yeah, others. We tried with cars dot length, but it told that it's not correct. Find out how many elements the car's array have. Yeah, is there any other option? Leaving length?
Cars dot length function.
Cars dot length function ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ. LENGTH ಲೆಂತ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲೆಂತ್.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದಾಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದವನು, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರೇಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡಿ
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, cars dot size.
ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೂಪ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಅರೇ. Loop through the items in the car's array.
Ma'am, for cars.
For
ಕಾರ್ಸ್.
Cars.
correct? Others agree with this? It's right?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am.
Insert the missing parameter parts to create two-dimensional array.
Ma'am, int 2 square brackets.
Int.
Opening and closing 2 square brackets.
Correct, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Static void method. Insert the missing parameter parts to call my method from main. Yeah, what I have to type there?
My method.
My method. That's all.
Parenthesis.
Insert the missing parts to call my method from main 2 times. This is very easy then.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. My method function, totem.
My method. My
Capital M, ma'am.
Correct. I wantedly gave. Should know whether you people are okay. Is it right now? Is it right?
Yes,
Shall I submit?
yes, ma'am.
Add fname parameter of type string to my method and output John Doe. Add fname stringer
F-name.
fname.
John, ma'am.
F name, ma'am. F name.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Insert the missing part to print the number 8 in main by using a specific keyword inside my method. Insert a missing part to print the number 8 in main by using a specific keyword inside my method. Yeah, what I have to give there?
A return, ma'am.
Is it correct? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Agreed? Yeah. Follow the comments to insert the missing parts of the code. Create check age method with an integer variable called age.
Check age, ma'am.
Check age. Yeah.
Int
Int
age.
Age, ma'am.
age. Okay. If age is less than 18, print access denied.
If
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 age
age
less than symbol
less
less
than
than 18.
symbol
18.
18.
Else
Correct? Others? Others are checking? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what I have to type? What I have to type here?
check age.
Check age of 18. 28, ma'am.
Check
Age
age
20.
28.
That's it? Is it correct? Shall I submit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Create a class called my class.
My class.
My class function.
My class. Okay. Create an object of my class called my object. Yes,
My class.
my class,
My obj.
Capital C, ma'am.
capital C. Yes.
My OBJ.
My OBJ.
My class.
My
class.
class. Correct, others?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yeah, next one. Use my object to access and print the value of X attribute of my class. Use my object to access and print values of X attributes of my class. Yes, say fast. If you be slow, then others will run. In your placements, you have to be fast. Yeah. Anybody? You will be knowing the answer.
My OBJ.
My OBJ.
X.
Yeah. Call my method of on the object.
My OBJ dot my method.
My OBJ dot something you told.
My method.
My method.
Method. Create a class, create and call a class constructor of my class. Follow the comments to insert the missing parts of the code below. Create
My class.
my class
In text.
X.
X
Public my class.
my class.
5.
X is equal to 5.
Yes.
My OBJ.
My OBJ.
And
My OBJ of X. Dot X.
My OBJ X. Others, everyone is agreeing with this? Agreeing with this?
yes, ma'am.
The class below should not be inherited by other class. Add the correct modifier. The class below should not be inherited by other class. Add a correct modifier. Say fast. You know this.
Public.
No, wrong. Class
Final,
below.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Protected.
Yes. Huh? Final is right. What they've asked, the class below should not be inherited by other class. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Fill in the missing parts to import java.utility.scanner class from
Import.
Import space Java dot.
Ma'am left, I think.
Yeah, there was some problem. I think even now the Google people have given a time limit only for 40 minutes, I think. So we started at 8:30. So 8, 9:20, it is getting disconnected. Okay. We'll see. We'll see for 1 or 2 days. Okay. Exercise only, no? Oh. Okay. Fill in the missing parts to import the java.utility.scanner class. Yes, can anybody?
Import java.util.scanner.
Import java.util.scanner. Is it correct?
Yes, caps.
Yes, caps.
caps.
Other things is fine? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The car class should not inherit the attributes and methods from the vehicle class. Add the correct keyword to make this possible. The car class should inherit.
Extends.
Yes. Is it correct, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll take the one more and we'll stop. Insert the missing part to handle the error in the code below.
Try.
Try.
Catch.
Yes, what I have to write here?
Finally.
Insert the missing keyword to execute code after try catch regardless of the result. What I have to write? Final. Huh?
Finally.
Yeah. So I'll stop here. We'll continue in 4th hour. Again, you have 4th hour class, right? my regular. I didn't take Tuesday because of my exam duty. There was a VTU exam duty, so I couldn't take on Tuesday first hour. So now I have taken, so it is done. And today again you have fourth hour my class, right? Again we'll see you on the fourth hour. So today's date is 9. Answer to your attendance. Anaga,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhilash,
Yes, ma'am.
Akil, Akrut,
Yes, ma'am.
Anusha,
Yes, ma'am.
Arvind, Arifullah, Benaka,
Present, ma'am.
Banu Prakash,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargav,
Yes, ma'am.
Rahmatullah,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Chandana, Charan, Darshan,
Present, ma'am.
Diksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Dakshayani.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Present, ma'am.
Chandan Magd, Kishan,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit, Hemalata,
Present, ma'am.
Huma, Jayant, Divya,
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi,
My mic issue, ma'am.
Lavanya,
Present, ma'am.
Manish,
Present, ma'am.
Manoj,
Present, ma'am.
Mohit, Naval,
Yes, ma'am.
Navya,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
Panindra,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Pooja, Purnima,
Yes, ma'am.
Raman,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi, Rupak,
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Samir,
Present, ma'am.
Santosh,
Present, ma'am.
Sadab,
Present, ma'am.
Sharan, Shashank, Sheetal, Shivani,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya,
Present, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Sri Vishnu,
Present, ma'am.
Sugandhini,
Present, ma'am.
Sushma,
Present, ma'am.
Sushmita, you, Tirtha,
Present, ma'am.
Trupti,
Present, ma'am.
Varsha,
Present, ma'am.
Veena.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, for your third internals, next week you have your third theory and lab internals, right? So the lab internals, whatever is left. What was the first internal syllabus for your lab we have taken? Till how many programs we have taken up? Yeah, can anyone say how many programs we have taken for the first internal, first lab?
6, ma'am.
6
Ma'am,
ma'am.
6 ma'am.
Yeah, rest of them will be for your second lab internals. And theory, where did we stop in the theory, second internals? Where did we stop in the second internals? Theory. Third module completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now this time for your third internals, it will be fourth and fifth unit. Any doubts?
Java 2 programs share
Any doubts?
app programs.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಸ್
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 7th ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
7th ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್
ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ ಏನ್ ಯಾವುದು 7th ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದು
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
I'll check again and I'll only 7th program. How about other programs are fine?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll just check 7th program and I'll resend to you people.
Yes ma'am. Thank you ma'am.